Him not done. And every day else him find something else to come on the internet come do. I want to now understand. He's doing everything what me and him talk about for do. So I don't want me shut up and me know so the pussy are playing on my face. Remember, I know when the same one come. Wait, no, Shani. I want the same one come in on my box, come in on my DM, come talk it and say, K, I cuss everybody else and now cuss Tenn. I no lie. Because I know me no cuss Tenn. Every day I'm there on my life, I sell my bag and my slippers, them no come about me, bro. I'm tired of you know.
I would them only for people if I want to come up. Okay, hear what me I say now.
No, I'm come up.
No, okay, don't come off. Let me say something to you.
You're mad, my baby, talk your truth.
Okay, speak your piece. Okay, listen to me. Okay, listen to me.
Come see I make them left over this blood clot, yeah.
Okay. You're in the box here now and you listen to what me I say. You have your piece to speak, and when you speak your piece, me know I hear you come back and speak.
And Judith, she can speak as much as she wants.
Speak your piece and talk what you want to talk, because guess what? You're human and we only can sit down on the offside and listen. You hear me? They tell you, you know what you're feeling and you're only human and you have all right to
and
feel how you feel. And let me tell you
something, Auntie Judith. Nobody knows Tenn like K. Because let me tell you something. All when you have your son and you raise him and him come out of your house when he's at 25, you don't know that boy and personality until him there with a woman. That's why when you have to mothers and family must stay out and friends must stay out a relationship. Because nobody reveal themselves to you like a man or a woman when you're there with.
And K, if you have to talk.
No, K, Tenn, and K, no Tenn intention.
You see, if you have to talk a million times.
Whatever he's doing is coming at her. She's him target. She know him. She know she him a target.
Exactly.
She know she not stupid.
I'm a baby, if you have to talk it a million times and so you until you feel like your earth is okay, talk your story a million times.
Me is a girl that never come over here come intervene in a people relationship.
You don't care, it's your own therapy.
I write for K because of the situation I see on the outer side.
Me
never see K do Tenn nothing yet that I know of, or I've never seen anybody click a live and come and say, oh, and K pretend to be this person and my Bokar so Jamaica is a small place when I go so nearly go so. People will tell liar add but some part it is true.
True.
And if K was doing Tenn wrong, you'd have come. It would have depended this internet and K could have fear tone of vice what she have.
This coming like when you go to primary school and then they say hot water.
So why I tell you say I am a woman empowerment beside K is not of our behavior, none of that.
Who cares about that?
I stand with K because I am a good woman and I have key traits of good woman also in Keona.
The way I feel to blood Keith, I would have buy a ticket right now just for look
when girl look good. When you feel like say girl look good and full of themselves, you not like girl for no reasons at all.
Because just
so
people
every downfall for a girl, go and pray on it.
Because she's earthing now, they want to jump on that.
Generation is like this because of woman like Uno. Woman like Shauna Chin and the rest of Uno who enable man. Me never say after you left the man, you never get a woman, you know. But if I go and there with you and I see her,
it's not about him moving on, you know. It's not about him moving on.
Judith, me not bash Shauna Chin for God every
No, me either.
My problem is Shauna Chin know what Tenn is doing. And she's helping him. Me not help the boy destroying a girl. Worse if the girl was a great woman because Tenn keep repeating that. K is a great woman. Every fucking interview him go on. Then if she's such a great woman, what is your problem? Leave her and you're doing enough damages.
The problem is that because she walked away. That's the problem. She walked away.
Shauna Chin was a victim. K a victimized Shauna Chin and poor Shauna Chin. No. But if you know what a guy is doing, you're not a victim. You're helping him. Complete.
She showed shade too. That is a problem. She showed shade.
The youth have a mission, and you're helping him accomplish the mission by destroying another female that have done nothing to you.
Me hearing the true shade.
That have done nothing to you.
That not have she not to come in at this if you all are can and this is not fair fight.
Auntie Julie beg a second. You know what I want to tell you, okay? Me not expect. a great reaction from you now because this thing is new and it hurts. You can't tell me say it not hurt. It hurt like hell. Me know that. But you know when I want to tell her, okay, time heals everything, mama. It gets better with time. Trust and believe me, I can't tell her say it get better with time.
Johnny, me can say this?
Well, on okay before you talk, it get better with time. And you know what I want to tell you? Remember saying that Tay is an upcoming artist. Tenn have everything to lose. Shauna Chin have a pussy bomber blood clot in the world for lose more than open up her mouth and take a cocky trap them in her throat and take some big hood rod up in her hole. What else Shauna Chin have to lose? You have something to lose and Tenn have something to lose. She have not a blood clot for lose. So what Tenn do know? What Tenn do know? Him not think about the future and there's a thing for now. But there's a future ahead of us. And I
Shauna to reach the
talk,
castle,
baby
that him a do.
talk. As your Auntie Judith said, talk.
At the end of the day, I talk this more than once for my life. If everybody know me, they know me bally. And since Tenn and Shauna bust out, you don't see a weakness, you don't see a tears. There was no tears to cry. Me not have no tears to cry no more. Remember me.
Vegan girls say, you know, them people that sometimes wonder if them stop at kindergarten. Shauna catching stray bullets here. Bash 10, not Shauna. Hear this now. Them sick, you know, what I just explained to you a while ago. That is the same fucking thing. I just tell you, say, we are not batching Shauna because I honestly thought Shauna was a victim. But then when my sister Shauna is literally doing the stuff what Tenn want her to do, I actually said, this girl is not a victim. She's actually helping him destroying Kay. What is it you're talking about?
No, in a feed them eyes.
If Shauna should be there with Kay and then hold her turf in a year or a time, just stay away from every strolling and everything. You could have said, all right then.
Shauna do the trolling. Shauna do the trolling.
But all the people that go to the band back out.
She does. Yes, but nobody not go see it because guess what? Your situation not brawling for say, Kay, you me attack. Even last night a video with Shauna make and go say, them live a foreign and them come down and come fuck up and them fuck out the whole of foreign. And me Shauna attack. Shauna just do it indirectly. I be an indirect shade, Shauna and Tenn show. But in all of this, and I say this proudly and loudly, I am not going for Shauna till Shauna directly come for me. All of what Shauna is doing, I blame Tenn.
Right,
all of
exactly.
I don't blame Shauna, I blame Tenn. Because I know makes you feel like say she can do all of what she had. And you're a woman. I have no problem with you dating Shauna. 10 pints. If you remember the last time me and you fuck. The last time me and you fuck, I was stand up outside, I was smoke and drink till we blood clot frost. Other day the me and you talk about Shauna. I said, Tenn, when you're Shauna in a K, I just music. K you not even know more I kill you. Really and truly, you left me and I don't know if I'm doing myself very. 2 couple weeks after that, that's when it really come out say you're Shauna fuck. Obviously, you were fucking Shauna before. Can me hear it before and you denied it. That's the last time me and you fuck.
Well, if you understand, if it's not Shauna, it would be somebody else. So it's not about Shauna.
Exactly. You say it come out now say you're Shauna there. You come me and your text. Me and your text. I say to you say. You said to me say, me want you back. Cause me never did want you before. All of a sudden me start hear about you and Shauna, me want you back. I said, Tenn, reach one point to me single, you single, I was keep on a correspond. What are you doing? Because in a real life, any you start fuck Shauna, I know so true say you fuck Shauna. There is no going back with me and you because I will never fuck after Shauna. Him say, Kayona, me now fuck the woman, me and the woman just do a one song. This you know say this recent. This is before the song bust out. This is before all of this.
Okay, that's 1 year before the song come out?
This is before the song come because I heard the song before the song come out.
You heard it?
I heard the song before the song come out. Alright. Come here again. Remember say me not hide nothing. This is the last time. This is before the company life. This is weeks before the song come out. Come hear about the song. And it's so crazy. Tenn has been sending me projects that he's doing. And he never sent me the song with him and Shauna. Remember saying you know Tenn. If Tenn I got hide the song with him and Shauna. Remember this is me and the same 10 point. Come again no man. This is the me and the same 10 point where Shauna Chin come our party. And Jamila said to me say, look how Shauna stand up and watch Tenn. She can't take her eye off him. I say, allow the girl. Shauna and Crystal catch up in my party and Crystal let her go bust her face. A 10 point of a lift up Shauna and take her lift up Crystal and take her and everybody are coming and say, okay, Ray. Right? I got share party. I'm a buck up in a Shauna. And Shauna see me and hug me. And say, Wagwan, me move me head fresh. Everything me are talking. This are the crash out there. This are the crash out there. Make sure I advertise it. Shauna hug me and say, Wagwan, care. I move my head because I did sound. Me did in one cabana and she did in the same cabana. The move I move back my head from Shauna. Me move my head for hear what she say. Hear Shauna to me. Why you move your head for? True, my mouth stink. I know my mouth stink. I say, darling dear, no, so I never had think about no stinking mouth, no. I can't hear you, so I move my head for put this up. I say, why Shauna tell me say her mouth stink? It asks her, Shauna, you can't say a lie. And me and her laugh. Right? Me and I laugh, I'm gonna go back and stand up when me stand up and ray. She thinks that that's why I'm move my head. But you know when you talk to somebody and you put your ears at you move your head for put your ears at them mouth.
At their mouth.
Yeah, and that means
yeah.
After the last time Mr. Shauna I share luxury doll candy party. You see me? And at that. I mean I said, girl, me not smell your mouth, girl. And in a real life, me never did smell her mouth for true. Did this shock say that even come out her mouth? Well, I know no man.
Cocky breath.
Me come home, and I say, Tenn, this who must see no Shauna. And me I tell him I want to go on a party because me alone go. You know what Tenn said to me say? And me I say, you know, me tell him about the stinking mouth argument. You know what Tenn said to me say? The girl ever look for me, you know. Me tell her if I go for that girl, let that girl suck your pussy. 10 point, I'm talking everything. Me say 10 point.
When say?
Me forgot for Shauna. Me for friend Shauna for get threesome for Shauna come suck me pussy. Me say 10.
That's her known character.
That's her known character. Me say 10, no. No, you mad? Me not do nothing with nobody on TikTok. You mad? Every blood clot thing me attack. So Shauna, and that the day I line up for do. Ask him. 10 point company life too. Ask him. Me say why Shauna? Him say so she ever look for way. Me say no, she always a look for you. Yo, everywhere she see me, she stare me down. If I put Jamila in her back, she can test to this. Because the day when me and him talk about it, Jamila call same time. And even the same argument at the party we say, move your blood clot, the girl look by you want gully back woman and within the house and laugh at them. But who are shot of them? Every time Shauna see me in a party, she look for me, I give her the time of day. I carry team, me put this fat 9.5 in her throat. I make she come name some pussy. Shauna, that was your deal, and you made it for come friend you. Yeah. Remember Tenn talk it on the blood clot interview say if him pick out a girl me say her, but we never go pick out you. Me can't unseen go gully back mouth in a my crutches. I'm very sorry. So no, you wasn't a pick. So 10 point, me there you save you, and you there you try to do things the people bring me down. Me nah say you can't live your life, you know, pussy will live your blood clot life, you know. But you see when you make people come attack me every day, you know what you're doing. When you do the indirect shade them 10, when you do the indirect shade them, all you do is put people on me. Every time me I sell, you click your blood clot live. Every time me I sell, you mash up my selling. It's like everything me do is a problem. You do all I things them just the comment section eat me up. And at that time a problem. You and Shauna is not my problem. You know this. You know this. You and Shauna could never be my problem. Because me know you for fuck worse than Shauna. If me say the truth about all of this, Shauna look better than most of where you fuck. Because be a rubbish when you're going to go fuck. That's why you can't put them from front page. So Shauna look better than most of them where you fuck. Shauna wouldn't be worse muck. Shauna would be a top muck for you. I'm a free for call her muck. You know why we are going to go back this now? Shauna knew all of this. Why Shauna come now? You know you are fucked in. And you know go tell me say me calculated her what. But Shauna know what she and Tenn